Hello, dear investors and traders. The analytical service is online GURU.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. Let's look at each parameter in more detail below. If you want, you can pause it. We propose to consider each indicator of the corporation in more detail. Now we will analyze the main fundamental indicators of the company. Ondas Holdings Inc., ticker ONDS. This review is based on data as of August 27, 2025. By classification, GURU.Markets company Ondas Holdings Incorporated belongs to the subcategory Soft Security. 27 companies are taking part in the comparison. We will see the order table at the end of the video. The result for the company under study is as follows: minus 4.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 1.4 points. If you look broadly, within the market as a whole, we can see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against the minus rating, 4.5 points for the company Ondas Holdings Incorporated. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares Ondas Holdings Inc. and subcategory shares, we see that over 12 months the shares Ondas Holdings Incorporated showed a change of 458.2%. Against the price dynamics for the subcategory of 26.9%. Market capitalization of the company Ondas Holdings Incorporated valued at $1.35 billion. With a market capitalization of $409 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.11 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $31 billion. By comparing the stock market and book value shares, we can see the following. Share Ondas Holdings Incorporated in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 0.33%. Book value capitalization is 0.346%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under study has debts of $0.028 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 26% of equity. The company's debt rating, good, 1 point. The company's stock price to earnings ratio is 0. The average in the subcategory is 129.4. Evaluation of the stock market value to its profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $49 million. Projected profit for the next 12 months is unknown. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 84. Average for subcategory 11. Evaluation of market value to revenue ratios in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $20 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Assessment of the expected future sales indicator in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The sales margin is minus 306.8%, with an average in the subcategory of 8.5%. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of personnel in the subcategory is 0.151%, which is 119% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the organization is equal to $10,912,000. And for the subcategory, $4,977,000. Evaluation of the company's capital volume per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee of the company is minus $399,200. The average in the subcategory is $38,500. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue share per individual employee is $130,000. In the subcategory, $454,000. Evaluation of the share of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, talent, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions was 4.4%, with an average for the subcategory of 4.2%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 73% for the company Ondas Holdings Inc. In the subcategory, the RSI 14 level is 44%. The company's current stock price is approximately $4.98. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is approximately $5.01. Let's go to the table of orders, which is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions previously made in a given season by the evaluation information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the assessment results Ondas Holdings Inc. Stock valuation reference system GURU.Markets, the following decision is made. Open sell order at $4.97 per share. The deal is open due to the fact that the company has a rather poor valuation and price trend. The company's valuation is based on the valuation model, the Akeem's index. Take profit is set at 2.49. Stop loss is set at 7.46. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order is fixed automatically based on the results of the session on September 26, 2025, or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker GAMB will be the main buy order. The video for the main order has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of one of the orders, the basic or balancing one, the second order is closed at the final price. Thank you all very much for watching this video and for using the information and reference system from GURU.Markets.